Welcome everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you, and I am your host, your toast Mohit Jain, still again in the ghost mode. Yes, today I'm here with a few assorted questions on numerical ability and logical reasoning as far as TCL Technology Recruitment Drive is concerned, which was conducted in the first week of March, and these are the questions which we have seen on the screen. So let's do it, and you may find that these questions are there running on your screen with the timer. Try to solve within the given time, and then look out for the solution. There were 15 questions from numerical ability. Difficulty level was very easy, and 15 questions from logical reasoning, be it verbal and non-verbal logical reasoning. So we have tried to showcase portray 30 questions, mix of logical reasoning and numerical ability, on this hope that whenever you sit for an aptitude test as far as HCL is concerned, you would be able to crack it. So let's practice and try to solve these questions before looking out for the solutions. A machine is sold for $5060 at a profit of 10%. That means this is the selling price and 10% is the profit. So we know the drill that selling price is cost price into 100 plus profit by 100. Therefore, CP is 5060 into 100 by 110, 11, 4 times 44 and 60. That means cost price is $4600. What would have been the gain or loss percent if he had sold for 4370? So new selling price is 4370. That means he is incurring loss. Loss of 4600 minus 4370 equals loss of 230 rupees. Now loss percentage is loss divided by CP into 100. That goes as 5%. So loss is 5%. Option C fits in. 25% of 360, 25% means 1/4. 1/4 of 360 is 90. And 35% of 400, 35% means 7 by 20 of 400. That goes to 140 equals to how much? 140 plus 90 is 230. Option C fits in. A cheetah runs at a speed of 210 km per hour. Okay, it covers a distance of 700 meter in what time? Time is equals to distance by speed. So it is like 700 meter, which is 0.7 in kilometers. So it can be 7 by 10 and divided by speed. So that would be 1 by 300 part of the hour. Now if we need to convert this into seconds, let's multiply this by 60 because there are 60 minutes and 60 seconds in 1 minute. 2 gone and this is 2. That will give us what? 12 seconds. So it would cover 700 meters in 12 seconds. Option D. A is twice as good as worker as B. That means if B is taking 2x days to complete the work, A alone will take x days to complete the work because A is twice as good as B. And together they can finish the work in 16 days. And we know the drill for A plus B. If A plus B, A and B together are working, the total time taken by them would be product by sum. That is 2x square by 3x. And this is equals to 16 given. So if we solve this, what we'll get is x is 24 days. Now, what is the question asked? In how many days it can be done by A alone? A alone in X days. X is 24 days. 24 days feature in option C. Calculate the simple interest on, okay, formula for simple interest is P into R into T by 100 simply. This is 3500, rate is 12%, time 3 years by 100. So this is 35 into 36. 35 square is 341225 and 35016160. $1260 is the simple interest. Option A fits in. The compound interest on rupees 30,000 is 7% per annum is 4347. Okay, that means amount is compound interest plus principal. That would be 34347. Okay, so we know the formula for amount. Amount is principal into 1 plus I to the power n. Your amount is 34347. If I divide this by principal, that would be I is R by 100, that is 7 by 100 or 0.07. So it would be 1.07 to the power n. So now if we divide this by 3, it would be 1.144 and 9. Bingo. Now that is 1.07 to the power n, and now we need to find the value of n, and what I can see that 107 whole square is 11449, and that is same as this. That means this is nothing but 1.07 to the power 2. I've started with an option, and we can use interpolation method also. If squaring doesn't fits in with this or cubing doesn't fits in with this, then we can do the interpolation method also. So solve this quickly if calculator is not there, and obviously scientific calculators won't be there. On screen calculator is a basic standard calculator. So here n is equals to 2, that fits in. The period in years is 2 years, that is option A. The three numbers in AP whose sum is 27 and sum of their squares is 341. Now, these kind of questions should always be tackled with help of option, isn't it? Sum of these three numbers should be 27. 16, 9, 25, this is 27. This is not 27, this is negative 27, and this is not 27. The only option left is 16, 9, and 2. Still, if there are few more options which looks like where the sum of three numbers is 27, we can next what we can check is the property whether the three numbers are in AP or not. Now again, 16 is square is 256, 9 is 81, and 4 is 2 square is 4. So that's total is 6, 4, 10, 1, 1, 13, 14, and this is 341, which is matching with 341 given. So option A is the answer. If Adam's expenditure is 37.5% more than Andrew's, okay, 37.5 means 3 by 8. So here we can play a small number trick. If Andrew's expenditure is 8, then Adam's expenditure is 3/8 more. That means it is 8 plus 3/8 of 8 is 3. Adam's expenditure is 11. By what percent is Andrew's expenditure less than Adam's? So here the comparison is with Adam. We need to find 8 minus 11 is 3, and it is be compared with Adam's expenditure, that is 11. So 3 by 11, 1 by 11 is 9.09%, 3 by 11 would be 27.27%, that is in option A. And here we can very easily also use our rule 1, that if A is more by 3 by 8, B should be less by 3 upon 3 plus 8, that is 3 by 11 is straight away. Line changing rule. If A increases by A by B, then B should come down by A upon A plus B. Rule 1, line changing rule from our arithmetic rule book, that can be also used straight away to find the answer. 3 by 11, 27.27% is the answer. The average of 25 results is 18. Okay, so total is 25 into 18. or 100 by 4, 9, 450. The average, so this is like 100 by 4 into 18, that is 450. The average of first 12 of them is 14, okay, and average of last 12 of them is 17. So total of these is 12 into 31, that would be 2617 and 372. So find the 13th result. 13th result is 450 minus 372, that is 8 and 7. So the middle one or the 13th result is 78, that is in option A. How many different words can be formed with the letters of the word Haryana? So how many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be simply factorial 8, assuming that we are taking all at a time, because no information is given as far as that is concerned. So how many letters to be taken at a time. Now again here we can see that A is like repeating itself 3 times, so that would be divided by factorial 3. So factorial 8 is 4320. Let's divide this by factorial 3, that is 6. So 4320, 6 times 36, 43, 7, 42 and 12, 20. 6720, that features in option. In how many different ways can the letters of the word detail, Detail, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 letters, all are different, 6 alphabets we can say, be arranged in such a way that vowels occupy only the odd position. So this is odd position, this is odd position, this is odd position, and we have 3 vowels. So first priority would be given to these 3 vowels who would be placed at these 3 position in 3p3 ways, and then the 3 consonants would occupy these 3 even position again in 3p3 ways. So 3p3 is factorial 3, and this is also factorial 3. 3 factorial is 6 into 6, that is 36 ways, and that features in option B. In some quantity of ghee, 60% is pure ghee and 40% is vanaspati. So let it be x kg, then pure ghee is 0.6x and vanaspati is 0.4x. If 10 kg of pure ghee is added, okay, we are adding 10 kg of pure ghee, then the strength of vanaspati ghee becomes 20%. If vanaspati ghee becomes 20%, that means pure ghee is 80%. That means the new ratio would be 80 by 20, that is 4 by 1. So 0.6x plus 10 equals 1.6x. 1x is equals to 10. So initial quantity was 10 kg. Find the original quantity. Original quantity should be 10 kg. We can also check this out. Pure ghee in 10 kg is 6 and vanaspati is 4. When it is increased, it becomes 16 and it becomes 4, and hence the ratio becomes 8 is to 2, that is 80% and 20%. Option A, 10 kgs is the answer. A bag contains 600 coins of 25 paise denomination. That means its value should be 150 rupees. And 1200 coins of 50 paise denomination, that is 600 rupees. So value of the bag is 750 rupees. 12% of 25 paise coins, that means 150 into 12% gone, and 24% of 50 paise coins, 600 into 24% are removed, that is gone. So that is 5, 3, 5, 2, 6, 18 rupees gone from here, and this is 120 and 24, 144 rupees gone. 12, 1, 4, 5, 6, 162 rupees gone. Find the percentage decrease in the total value of the bag. Percentage decrease would be 162 based on 750. So percentage decrease is 162 by 750 into 100. So it's like 52, 515. 2893 is 54. 3 is 5. So that is 810 by 5. So 21.36. 21.6% is the percentage decrease. That is in option A. So a question from data interpretation. A bar diagram is given sales of some bikes in different years from 2002 to 2007. The difference in the sales for the year 2002 and 2004, 2002 is 48,000 and 2004 is 30,000. So the difference is of 18,000 is equals to sales in which year? That is 18,000 is in year 2006. So 18,000 is the difference between 2002 and 2004 sales that occurs in year 2006. That is in option C. Again the same bike case, but the question is different. In which of the following years did the sale decrease by 25%? So that means if it was 4, it should come down to 3 if it decreases by 25%. We are looking out for the ratio of 4 is to 3. 48 is to 40,000 is 12 is to 10, that is 6 is to 5. 40,000 is to 30,000 is 4 is to 3. That means from year 2003 to 2004 there is a decrease of 25% sales. So in which of the following year did sales decrease by 25%? It should be 2004. That features in option A. Calculate the percentage increase in sales from 2006 to 2007. So it in 6 it is 18,000 and now it is 40. So the increase is of 40 minus 18, that is 22 units over 18 units. So percentage increase would be 22 by 18, that is like 11 by 9 or 1 2 by 9. 1 by 9 is 11.11%, 2 by 9 is 22.22%, and 1 means 100. So it should be 122.22% increase, and that features in option D. The sum of squares of 3 consecutive natural numbers is 677. Now it is like a square plus a plus 1 whole square plus a plus 2 whole square is 677, and this is an odd number. Determine the largest number of the 3. So if largest number is even, this should be odd and this also should be even. Then even plus even should give an odd number. If the largest number is odd, then the middle one is even and the first one should also be odd. Now odd plus odd is even and even plus even should give even. That means this particular knowledge will be of great help. Now the question is determine the largest number of the 3. Largest number of the 3 should be an even number. That means it is not 15, it is not 19. Let's try out with 16. Now the best option is let's pick up the option and just check. If the largest number is 16, then we require 14 is square, 15 is square and 16 is square. 196, 225 and 256. 6 and 6 12 plus 5 is 17, 1 10, 7 1, and this gives 677. Bingo, the largest number of the 3 is 16. That is in option B. Okay, a question from circular arrangement, I hope. During a conference, 5 employees PRMTS, Pam, Rash, Matt, Tim, Sam were sitting around a circular table. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. All of them are facing towards the center. Very good. Pam sat second to the left of Rash. So if this is Rash, second to the left, left means anti-clockwise. Here should be Pam. Matt sat second to the right of Rash. Second to the right of Rash. Here should be Matt. Okay, so Pam, Rash and Matt sitting arrangement done. If Sam sat between Matt and Rash, here is Sam. That means Tim should be taking up this position. Great. Then who sat to the immediate right of Pam? Immediate right of Pam. Pam is sitting and looking here inside. That means this is left of Pam and this is right of Pam, isn't it? If he is looking towards the center. So this is left, left, left. Now who is sitting to immediate right of Pam? Immediate right of Pam is Tim. That is in option A. Again the same piece of information, and we know that from the piece of information we have P here, M here, 2 vacant position, and here was our Rash. Now the question, if Sam did not sit next to Matt, here is not Sam, that means Sam should be sitting here and we are left with Tim. Tim should be sitting here. Then who sat between Matt and Sam? Matt and Sam. Pam is sitting between Matt and Sam. Option C fits in. Again the same piece of information. We know here was P, M and R, 2 vacant places here. If Sam did not sit next to Matt, Sam is not here, here is Sam, and that means here should be Tim. Then who sat between Tim and Sam? Tim and Sam. Rash is sitting between Tim and Sam. Option B fits in. When Sam saw Adam, he recalled that Adam is the son of the father of the mother of Sam's daughter. Sam is recalling about Adam. Sam's daughter is Sam's child. Mother of Sam's child means this is Sam's wife. Adam is son of father of his wife. Adam is son of father-in-law of Sam. That means Adam is son of father-in-law. That means Adam is brother of Sam's wife. Adam is brother-in-law of Sam. Adam is brother of Sam's wife. Adam is brother-in-law of Sam. How is Adam, or what is Adam to Sam? Adam is brother-in-law of Sam. Option B. Okay, a reasoning question from deductive logic, syllogisms, and I always use Venn diagrams to solve these kinds of questions. All books are pens. Books, all books are pens. If these are pens. And all pens are boxes. Wonderful. Now conclusion, all books are boxes. All books are also boxes. Yes, all books are pens and all pens are boxes, then all books are boxes. All pens are books. All pens are not books, not necessarily. You can find this area where we have few pen which are not books. So only option A follows. We will put a tick on option B which says only A follows. Form a logical sequence from the given words. These words should be placed in such a order that we can form a logical sequence from this. We can see that there are palace, house, bungalow and hut. It means that it should go by size wise. The smallest one is hut, then it should be house, then bungalow and then a palace, or it should be 1, 3, 2, 4. So 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1 is there, and 1, 3, 2, 4 is also there. but which form a logical sequence. If you find that both the options are there, this is from small to big, small hut to like house, then bungalow, and then a palace. It is growing in size, and this is like from palace to bungalow to house to hut. I'll always go for ascending order, the increasing one. If 4231 is there, 4231 is there, I'll go with option C. Mostly, most of the time, we consider the ascending pattern, the logical sequence, whenever these kind of uh, trouble questions are there. Both the options are available. Go in for the ascending order, small to big. Okay, another one, to form a logical sequence, we have profit, investment, processing, output, raw material. Okay, it look like a production process. So to start a production process, we should invest first. Investment should be made, and then raw materials to be purchased. They need to be processed. Then you will get output, which if you sell, then you will get revenue from where you can earn profit. So we have like 2, raw material is 5, then processing 3, output 4 and 1. Do we have 2, 5, 3, 4, 1? 2, 5, 3, 4, 1. Yes, that features in option D. Okay, one more from a logical sequence, and here we have fire, pain, burn, relief, balm. Okay, so obviously it will start with the fire, and due to fire you get burned and it started paining. You put up balm and you start feeling a bit of relief, isn't it? That frames a story here. So fire, burn is 3, pain is 2, balm is 5, and relief is 4. We should have 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4 features in option A, and that's our story. Okay, if the following statements 1 and 2 are true, then which of the conclusion follows? All fungi are bacteria. We have bacteria, and this is fungi. And some mushrooms are fungi. Okay, so we can have like this, some mushrooms are fungi, or we can have this fungi, bacteria, and some mushrooms are fungi. So we can have this 2 different set of Venn diagrams. Some mushrooms are bacteria. Some mushrooms are bacteria. Yes, if some mushrooms are fungi, then since all fungi are bacteria, some mushrooms are bacteria may be correct. No mushroom are bacteria. That is not correct. All bacterias are mushroom. Obviously, that is not correct. Obviously, when we have selected one, that is in option A, all would be wrong, isn't it? And that we also have checked. So some mushrooms are bacteria, some mushrooms are bacteria, and that it follows in both the Venn diagrams. We go in with option A. Okay, in a certain code language, care is 16, respect is 49. Then what is the value of nervous? The very first thing which hits my mind was 14 is like a square number, 49 is also a square number. This is 4 is square and this is 7 is square. We can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters in the word, so hence it is 4 square. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters, hence it is 7 square. Then how many letters are there in nervous? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means code for nervous should also be 7 square, that is 49. And yes, that features in option B. Again, a question from code language, coding decoding. Public becomes SXEIFZ. So P Q R S V W X B C D E L M N. Okay, but it is not moving forward. It is going like this: I J K L. Okay, F G H I, and after Z is A B C, moving backward, and here it is moving forward. 3 plus 2 and then minus 2's. So what is the code for number? NUM should move forward and BER should be minus. So OPQ UVWX MNOP QXP. QXP is here, QXP is here also. Now they will move back. BA, then it would be Z, then it would be Y. Yes, Y matching here. E D C B. Now it is in only the fourth one. Option D should fit in. QXP YBO OPQR will give this. So our code is QXPYBO. Again, a coding base. No, we need to find the missing term in the series, which should be moving in some pattern, I guess. So G H I J K L M I J K L M M N O P Q. Okay, so it is moving like next one, then next, then 3, then 4. That should be 5. So gap of 4 alphabets between this. Q R S T U V. It should start with V, and we have two options which are starting with V. Okay. J I J K K L M N O P, then Q R S T, then we have 4 jump. S T U V W X Y. We should have Y. V Y. V Y S. That is in option D. Next one should be V Y S, and that is option D. In the below sequence, count the number of zeros. That is a number 0. These all are alphabet O. This is small alphabet O. 3 zeros, then alphabet O, 9. This is O, 6, 7, 8. These are 0. Alphabets. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Option C. There are 5 zeros. Don't count these as zeros. These are not zeros. These are alphabet O, capital letters. These are small letters. These are oval shaped. Zeros are always oval shaped, and alphabet O is circular. So we need these 5 zeros. We can count option C. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for participating. This is Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats, or MJ Magic Studio, to you on this note, on this hope that I'll come back soon and you all will stay connected. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that. That's a must now, isn't it? Please like, comment, and do give us the feedback about how you are looking up to this channel and how we are working. So help it grow. Do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon, very soon. Stay fit, stay well, and stay connected. Thank you.